Aloha, I'm Chef Ellard, and I'm in the town of Lloydminster in Alberta, Canada, and I'm about to travel deep into Saskatchewan, also Canada, to find a unique Canadian food. Ready? All right. Okay, I'm in Saskatchewan now. So half of the city of Lloydminster is in Alberta, and half of it is in Saskatchewan, as you can tell by these large red poles. There's 5 of them going down this street. This street is 17. So one side of the street is Alberta, the other side is Saskatchewan. So it didn't take me very long to get to Saskatchewan. And I can go right back into Alberta if I want to. Or back into Saskatchewan. Alberta, Saskatchewan. Alberta, Saskatchewan. But no, I'm in Saskatchewan to find a Donair, which is really a shawarma with a little bit of variation. It happens to be that this great Donair place is on the Saskatchewan side of this street, and I had to get it. So this is the sweet sauce that kind of makes the Donair different, because they don't use tzatziki sauce. Somewhere in Halifax they didn't like tzatziki sauce. So I'm just gonna try that. Okay. You got sweet, and then he has a smoked sweet sauce, which I probably like better because I like smoked stuff. Yeah. Oh, I like that better. Yeah, it's got a smoky taste, sweet. God, I don't know how to explain it, but it's excellent. All right, I got my Donair. Here it is. And again, the only thing that separates the Donair from the shawarma, it looks like a shawarma, or a hero, as some people would say, is really the sweet sauce that comes with it. It's like this white sweet sauce. And all right. Good. Tastes like a sweeter shawarma. So when the Greeks immigrated to Canada, they came to Halifax, which is Nova Scotia, and they kind of, for some reason, they didn't like the tzatziki sauce. So they invented this sweet sauce. Kind of has a creamy consistency and a little bit of sweetness. Almost tastes like cream. And it's definitely different than tzatziki sauce because it's not sour at all. And I guess that's the difference between a Donair and a shawarma. And I love shawarma, and I like Donair because I like the sweet sauce too. And this place, Marakesh Donair and Pizza, has a smoky sweet sauce, which is even better. So I was told by some locals that there are several good Donair places in this town, Lloydminster, but this one's the only one in Saskatchewan, because across the street is Alberta. And I really wanted a Saskatchewan Donair, you know? It's really good. I'm halfway through this Donair and I'm really loving it. It actually has a little bit of spice too, which I wasn't expecting. Delicious. Well, there you go. Deep in the heart of Saskatchewan, I got the Donair. Thanks for watching Culinary Edge TV.
For more authentic food adventures from around the world,
Follow us, like, subscribe, or share. And as always, this is Chef Ellard saying happy eating, thanks for watching, and always remember, one person's shawarma is another person's hero, is another person's donair.